G'day and welcome to Nature Walk. This is Woodbridge Riverside Park, which is in Riverside, north side of Midland. Now this area got flooded out back in the February the 12th, 2017. Now all these rains and floods which came from Northern, which is 76.6 kilometres just east of Midland, caused all this water to come rushing through the Avon River. Now along the Avon River, a lot of towns coming through that way got hit by the flood. Now as you can see behind me where this bin is, that's how high the water came up. And back then, when I was here, all we could see was this lid flapping up and down, caused by all this water. That was all we saw. Now you can imagine quite the amount of water that came through here, especially when the Swan River is right there behind me. This is the John George Walk Trail in Riverside. I'll just point you that way for a minute so you can see where it leads. That's a cute dog. Okay, now as you can see over there, all of that was underwater. All this was underwater, caused by the flood back then. That's how big the flood was. And that little gazebo there, you could only see half of that. I'll just take you for a quick walk. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering what this thing is, that is my virtual reality camera. So I'll be doing a virtual reality video shortly after this one. So I'll be including videos in with my Nature Walk series called Virtual Reality with Text Greycloud. Through virtual reality, I like to go to places that are impossible for me to get to, or that I cannot afford to go to. I don't like to play games on virtual reality. That's quite boring after a while. I would rather explore, go to places that are very hard to get to, like Planet Mars for instance. I've already tried a couple of videos through virtual reality on that, and I thought it was pretty awesome. Being on another world through virtual reality, of course. Let's go for a short walk. Okay, this is the Swan River. The John George Walk Trail. Okay, well I've got to get going and make this virtual reality video. So until next time, see you then.